ever pondered the possibility of machines having the ability to learn and evolve like human beings? Machine learning, a term that has taken the world by storm, is the key to unlocking this reality. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century. The concept of machine learning was first introduced in the year 1959 by Arthur Samuel, a pioneer in the field of artificial intelligence. He defined it as a field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. The seeds of machine learning were sown, but it took another decade for the first significant development to occur. In the 1960s, the nearest neighbor rule was introduced, which allowed computers to use very basic pattern recognition. This marked the beginning of the era where machines started learning from data. The 70s brought about the concept of decision tree learning, an algorithm used for data mining, which is still in use today. The 80s and 90s saw a boom in machine learning due to the increase in computational power and the advent of the internet. Fast forward to the 21st century, machine learning has become an integral part of our daily lives. From personalized movie recommendations on Netflix to voice recognition on our smartphones, machine learning algorithms are hard at work behind the scenes. Machine learning can be divided into three types: supervised learning, where the machine is trained on a predefined set of examples; unsupervised learning, where the machine is given the task of finding patterns in a dataset without any prior training; and reinforcement learning, where an agent learns how to behave in an environment by performing certain actions and observing the results. The applications of machine learning are vast and varied. In healthcare, machine learning algorithms are used to predict diseases and aid in diagnosis. In finance, they are used to detect fraudulent transactions. In transportation, they are used to optimize routes and reduce fuel consumption, and these are just to name a few. To wrap things up, machine learning is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize various sectors. From its humble beginnings in the mid-20th century to its widespread use in the present day, it has come a long way. The key points to remember are: machine learning was first introduced in the 1950s. It saw significant development in the 60s with the introduction of the nearest neighbor rule. The concept of decision tree learning was introduced in the 70s, and the 21st century has seen machine learning become a part of our daily lives. The three types of machine learning are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. And lastly, the applications of machine learning are vast, spanning across sectors like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Machine learning, a journey that started more than half a century ago and is still evolving, holds the promise of a future where machines can learn and evolve just like us, a future that is not too far away, a future that is now.